Handy Hudsonite here. Google Chrome recently had a big update. I'm going to show you how to check to see if you have this update and some of the new features. And there's one cool feature that I really like that I'll show you how to enable it because it's not enabled by default. So let's get into what this update is and how to check in your browser. So we go over to my Google Chrome. The easy way to check to see if you have this update is come over here to the menu tab, go down to Help, click on About Google Chrome, and right here it will tell you if you have this version. So at the time of my filming, it's version 88.0.4324.104, and that is the version that you want. You want version 88. So what is it that they've improved in this version? Well, obviously I mentioned that there are security updates, 88 security updates to be exact. They did take away FTP. Now FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, and one of the reasons why Google took this out of Chrome is because it's just not that secure. Another reason is it's just not well supported anymore. It's not used as much anymore, so they removed it. Another feature that they removed is Adobe Flash. Now, let's say you play some old school games. Like one example game would be Pac-Man. I'm just going to freepacman.org. Now, this is a site that required that required Flash to run, but now Google has enabled you to use it without having to have a Flash plugin, and so you can play Pac-Man to your heart's content. So what else have they rolled out here in this update? Well, there's much better support for the dark theme, and here in the settings you can see that the dark theme is very well done, better than it was before. You can see even the scroll bar over here has the shade of dark theme. Now, one of the features that I really like about this new update involves an experimental feature which enables you to search your tabs, but it's not enabled by default. So all you have to do is go to Chrome : / and then flags. Now I've already enabled this in my browser, and it's enabled tab search. But if you haven't enabled it, you can easily just search for it by just searching tab search, and then it will not be enabled by default, so just enable it, and then you will need to restart your browser for it to work. And the way that it works here is it will now create this drop down, and it'll list all your different tabs, and you can search out a particular tab. Let's say you have 20-30 tabs open and you just don't know where a particular site is. You can search this and it will enable you to easily get to that tab. So if you haven't checked to see if you have this update in Google Chrome, please check it like I showed you at the beginning of the video. And when you go to check it, it will automatically pull an update if it's ready for you. And they have been rolling this out recently. So if you don't have the update yet, you should get it soon, but just go in and check each day to see if you have the 88 version of Google Chrome. And you enable this so that you can get this better security. So let me know in the comments below what you like about their new update and ways that you're using Google Chrome. And be sure to give this video a like so that YouTube will share it out. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.